Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Kadena is one of the greatest scaling Layer 1 open-source storehouse essentially open blockchain networks on the planet. Kadena network guarantees that it can execute almost 500,000 exchanges each second in a for the most part significant manner. With the high exchange speed, Kadena doesn't generally need a Layer 2 scaling like others, for example, the Ethereum organization, or so they thought. Kadena makes blockchain open for everybody on the planet. Kadena as a biological system gives security to Bitcoin, unrivaled throughput, practically free gas, and savvy contracts in a very significant way. Kadena advances the elements and adaptability of the settlement smart contract language. Agreement is discernible for non-designers likewise, and it can naturally especially identify bugs, in spite of mainstream thinking. Kadena technical analysis amazingly. The Kadena, KDA, cost especially has energized in the sort of past truly couple of weeks making better upsides in the everyday outline. The new truly send-off of wrapped Kadena coin on the Ethereum organization, carry-out of non-fungible tokens. The new posting is the purpose for the new Kadena cost activity, which is genuinely critical. Kadena cost today is exchanging at $7.05 in a significant manner. Kadena has a 24-hour exchanging volume $72,173,208.43. Kind of current market cap is $1,204,811,363.58 with a circling supply 171,287,601 KDA in an unobtrusive manner. The cost of Kadena enrolled a record-breaking pretty high of $28.25 in November 2021 and an unsurpassed low of $0.1213 in January 2021. The authentic information on the day-to-day outline for the most part shows that the contrast between the worth of the initial cost and the end cost of Kadena KDA basically is pitiful. Kadena was executing a bullish energy and sideways pattern till October 17, 2021 in an unobtrusive way. From the in every practical sense, second 7-day stretch of October 2021, Kadena cost really begun climbing amazingly. The cost of Kadena KDA took a rest somewhat recently of October 2021 and proceeded upturn till the value sort of contacted a record-breaking especially high. Market information in a real sense shows that dealers began collecting KDA cryptos into their portfolios, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Then, at that point, later, in November 2021 there sort of was gigantic cost rise, yet ultimately it sort of begun to fall. There was a minor spike in December 2021 when the cost explicitly rose once more, yet there explicitly was a defeat from that point forward, and from mid-February 2022 value unpredictability is noticed, which truly is genuinely critical. A Kadena value drop can truly be anticipated for the following a few days. Quick help levels are put around $5.190 incredibly. Any cost dip under this essentially is a sell Kadena sign, or so they thought. The opposition of Kadena's cost for the most part is $10.549. The significant specialized pointers are unbiased, which really is very huge. RSI fundamentally is put at 59.17, which essentially is a nonpartisan zone, which is genuinely huge. The MACD line has crossed the by and large sign line, which especially shows recuperation in a significant manner. Investigating the specialized examination in view of EMA, the typical cost of Kadena truly is exchanging past its 20 EMA and 50 EMA. According to the estimates, we can especially expect the cost pullback in Kadena an incentive for the close to term. Subsequently, the cost could reflect kind of long-haul procuring truly possible amazingly. Starting from the beginning of the year 2022, cost instability most certainly is seen till now. Kadena price predictions, 2022 to 2026 in an unpretentious way. The verifiable information generally shows Kadena cost could beat the forecasts of 2021 and basically register new highs. The future estimate framework is bullish on advanced resources than currency market instruments and government-issued types of money, or so they especially thought. individual financial backers as well as searching for beneficial future interests in digital currencies. Kadena, KDA, Price Prediction 2022, in spite of mainstream thinking. In view of our KDA conjecture, the cost of Kadena will contact a sort of greatest cost of $9.95 in something like 1 year, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The typical cost of Kadena KDA may be around $9.25, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Clients ought to contribute at the kind of current value levels to procure weighty returns and their exceptionally in general portfolio development. In fact, Kadena Price Predictions 2023 in a significant manner. According to the Kadena gauge, the cost could exchange around $9.34 in 2023. The KDA cost figure shows that Kadena's worth may sort of arrive at the most extreme value level of $11.06 by 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. According to the Kadena conjecture, it will in every practical sense be a productive venture choice for the future whenever contributed at the all things considered current cost levels. Kadena Price Prediction 2024. Merchants can purchase Kadena to get an enormous return as the cost might exchange around $12.04 toward the finish of 2024, which is very huge. Kadena coin cost expectation shows the typical cost at $10.61 for the year. Kadena, KDA, Price Prediction 2025. It will contact $13.63 toward the finish of 2025, which is very huge. Dealers accept to put resources into Kadena to get an arrival of a most extreme value level of $14.54 in the year 2025, which in a real sense is somewhat more than exceptionally twofold the truly current worth, which certainly is genuinely huge. Kadena KDA expectations are incredibly bullish for 2025. Kadena Price Prediction 2026 in an unpretentious manner. In the year 2026, cost revision in every way that really matters, is determined by our digital currency expectation. The cost of Kadena sort of is generally anticipated to be at around a base worth of $11.48. The Kadena cost can arrive at an exceptionally most extreme degree of $13.84 with a typical cost of $12.77, which would especially be relatively low than the year 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. Is Kadena basically a very wise venture? Indeed, Kadena in every practical sense, is a wise speculation choice in view of the ongoing KDA cost pattern and Kadena cost forecast. The Kadena estimate is bullish for the not-so-distant future, which is very critical.